watching Next Gen Speed. Today we got the C8 Corvette in the shop. Order a new part we just released in Next Gen Speed, which I'm very excited to be going over today. This new part we've been waiting for about 3 months to get released. Finally got it perfected. We got it right here to show you guys. We're going crazy with interior. We're releasing exterior pieces here and there. And here we got our new XT carbon fiber hood for any 2020 and up C8 Corvette. We have 100% real carbon fiber material, double-sided, so it's not just one layer with carbon fiber on top of it, which I'll show you guys right here. It's full of pre-pledged carbon fiber, not made by hand, but this is made by a pre-pledged machine for precise fitment and great quality, guys. All the right mounting pieces, got the latch in there as well, and everything to match just like OEM. We have the high gloss finish as well, and very, very lightweight, as you guys can see right here. Picking it up with just 2 fingers. No problem at all. So we get this installed on the C8 Corvette, as you see right here. Replace this OEM stock hood for the new one. For a nice appearance, change up the car. For actually a great appearance mod, guys. Can't wait to see it on. Installation is not too bad. Just gotta take off the old one, line it up, and then put the new one on, and it should be good to go. Got these officially available at nextgenspeed.com. Link in the description below in the comments. You can grab one of these. Got 2 left available at the time this video has been posted, so grab it while you can. We got the old hood off, about to get the new hood put on. Got the hood fully installed, looking great, guys. The new Next Gen Carbon XT carbon fiber hood for any Stingray Z06 model Corvette. She's looking fantastic, guys. Matches the rest of the carbon we have going on with the car, looking beautiful, especially with the purple. Definitely fucking pops. You gotta love that. Officially available at nextgenspeed.com. Got about 2 left in stock. If you guys are interested in these, but the link in the description below if you guys want to head out and check this out. But I'm loving it, guys, and I hope you guys do. That purple, the wheels, the doors, man, it's much needed for this car. Definitely changes the whole front end and the whole look of it.